Now it is my pleasure to welcome Ms. Lee Wai Theng with her topic Applied AI in Student Success Services from Google Cloud.
Thank you, Mui. So now kita akan change channel. The first session you sudah dengar dari Phoenix channel, then kita switch to ABC dari Australia. Sekarang kita balik ke Astro Awani ya. So I hope that you all ada question boleh type lah in the chat while I'm talking. Now before we start, tolonglah click button tu kalau you not in full screen ya. So that you can see what I'm doing on the screen, yeah. Kalau you see me turning my head, I'm so sorry because I'm using two monitor, yeah. So let's start. So I'm going to share a little bit about how we can use applied AI in student success services that is offering from Google. Tetapi if you are not in education, you can also use some of this technology in our application. So I will share a little bit. When I share about what we do in student success, you can also apply it to many things. Macam how do I use it in government portal, semua tu ya. Okay. Alright. Now student ya. Now sekarang student semua tu they are very tech savvy, right? You tahu dia atau generation apa tu. So when especially during this pandemic, semua orang akan study from home. So nowadays, a student, because they are so used to digital, they want a lot of things, right, that is easy to access. Macam kita buat survey, 60% say that they want to buat self-service. Ya, dia tak mau orang so they can do themselves, research themselves. Now, for 64% receive real-time assistance when they want it, and they also want personal interaction. Bukan just sahaja look up the website, then try to figure out. And they don't mind actually talking to non-human, macam bot. So you can see that even in government services, because in MyDigital punya initiative, this is something that the government also want to do, kan? You also want to have citizen boleh access self-service solution, boleh dapat real-time assistance, tak payah tunggu 1 minggu baru dapat respon, dan you nak personal interaction, with whatever you're doing, whatever services that you want, So how do you succeed, right, in the new normal when it comes to this era of students, ataupun new era of citizens of Malaysia? First of all, you, like for example, university, you pun nak make it easy to do student acquisition. Now, of course, some of you are not in private university, so you tak nampak the problem in a lot of the private university, dia tak dapat student, all the right student. Because of the pandemic, lockdown, dia tak tahu how to reach out to student, to dapatkan student, Now, they also want to have personalized 24/7. Siapa nak kerja kat call center? Nobody wants to work at a call center, So how do you want to provide personalized 24/7 support using applied AI? Now, selepas you ada personal support, you want to be able to engage with student. Macam webinar ini, kalau I buat recording, all of you tak suka, right? There's no interaction between me and you. Tapi kalau kita ada ways to communicate, macam I boleh dengar, you ask question, ataupun kita sembang-sembang using video meet, then it's better experience, And then another one is that when people study, right, everybody akan study at different pace. Now, student today, bukan student macam baru lepas sekolah, right? A lot of us as adult kena go back and study. Macam saya, so you saw my history, right? I kena belajar bermacam-macam teknologi. So I go back to school all the time, But what I know, right, is not the same as, let's say, my colleague, what they know. So kita nak personalized content. How do you use applied AI, right, to generate personalized content so dia tahu apa yang I perlu belajar, in the area that I need. Then finally, how do you help me find a job? After I graduate, right? What is the technology that kita boleh pakai to do job matching, to buat career counseling, semua tu, how do you engage after you habis graduation? So we want to see that how do we use AI, right? Because Google is very famous for kita punya AI technology. How do we use this, right, to transform the way a student experience, and also how do you operate a academy ataupun even government service, Okay, let me go on. So I will just introduce upper class student success services for edu that is offered from Google Cloud. So based on our experience kat US, dia memang a bit more advanced than us. So they come up with this set of solution that kita boleh repeat with different country.